Hi guys, welcome back to Audrey's Artistry. We back again with another video. So yeah, I've been gone, I know, but hey, I'm here. So we're gonna do a cute little Thanksgiving glam, fall glam today. Don't know what I have in mind. You know, I got a few ideas, but you know, we're just gonna go with it. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Oh, and hit the little bell. It's somewhere right in here, so you can get notified on when I post new videos, so you can stay up to date on all my new videos. I've been creating, got my juices flowing, so juice, that didn't sound right, but yeah. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get into it. Let me see. Alright, we're gonna take our new James Charles Morphe palette and we're gonna take a few colors out of here. I haven't decided if all of the colors are coming out of here, but you know, my first color is gonna come out of here. And you know, Thanksgiving, I think of oranges, burgundies, reds, bronzy kind of colors. So that's the look we're gonna go for today. And then I'm gonna try this new technique, which is buffing primer onto my lid and to place a pigment on top of it. So we're gonna try that today, so stay. Okay guys, so our first step is basically the reverse method. We're gonna start with our darkest color and work that into our crease when it's close as possible to our lash line. We don't want to blow it out too much, and then you know, we can blend it out a little bit, and then we're going to take our lightest color we're going to use today to help blend out those edges of that darkest color to have like this gradient effect. And then basically you're going to go back and forth with those two brushes to really define each color. We want to make sure we don't go too far in and close our eyes up. We want to make sure our eyes stay open and just make sure those colors are very pigmented and very defined. Now this is one of the hardest parts I have a hard time with, and that's over blending, because if you over blend, it'll kind of become muddy, and you don't want those two colors to really become undefined. Now this is the buffing method. As you can see, this is my first time doing it, and I'm taking a Real Techniques like flat fluffy brush to really buff that P. Louise Rumor 5 base to the center point of my lid and take it up into the crease a little bit. Now it's okay if you mess up, because I messed up plenty of times, so I'm going to show you guys that. But you know, just make sure that you clean it up by going back with that deepest color, because you really don't want that color to disappear. Now this is a golden shade out of that James Charles palette. It wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be, maybe because I was using a large fluffy brush. But now I'm just going to take the white gold pigment and place it on top of that shadow color. The brush I'm using is a Crown 421 brush, maybe? Don't remember. And then I take this small detailing brush to really define that dark color in the dark burgundy brown color in the James Charles palette. I'll have the names of the colors I used and brushes below. Now we're going to prepare our liner. We're going to take our Kat Von D tattoo liner and just basically create a thick line across, but not too far out. Alright, back to take my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, and my Benefit Professional primer. So I'm about to prime my face and get started I like to spray that first and then prime. It's just refreshing. Like my spray primer I used to have. I need to restock that Organics. I put too much primer on. Well, make sure I'm good and prime, honey. Cause this is Thanksgiving. We want to last all day through all the meals. Them house visits we got to take. So, I did put a little bit too much, but it ain't going nowhere. It's not going anywhere. So the foundation I'm using today is the Maybelline Superstay. I spent almost $200. Well, I did. I spent $200 in the Ulta. I might need to do a haul so y'all can see everything that I got. But $200 freaking dollars. You hear me? Gonna take it down her neck. $200. That foundation goes a long way, okay? Girl, one pump. One. So this, I'm taking a little bit of foundation on my brush that I used to cut my brows with to kind of just get the top of them. To just blend them out. Let's try not to mess up what we did, Jesus. Like I just did. Take my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. And we're going to conceal and get really close to that lash line. Because we're going to kind of use it as a primer for our eyeshadow. Now the idea of highlighting is putting it in the areas where the light hits. Kind of have an equal balance to your face. And when you contour, you put in the areas where the light doesn't hit. So anything you want to make smaller. So I want to make my forehead smaller. I want to carve out my cheekbones, make my face slimmer. The bottom part of my face, I contour there, and just make sure that I focus in those areas and blend it all out. I like my face snatched, baby. Okay, snatch. Blender is damp. It's not that big. So we're gonna basically pat it in. Alright, now for that contour, we're gonna take a brush and blend it out. If you feel like you went up too far on the cheek, that's why you still have your beauty blender present. Make that face slim, girl. Alright, now it's time to set. And I'm going to set with my True Complexion. As you can tell, baby girl is getting a little low. Real low. But Thanksgiving, you want to be full glam. You want to set those creams with powders because you don't want to go nowhere all that day. You just want to be still. Okay? So now we're going to take our Laura Mercier mixed with some Sacha Buttercup. I got it actually mixed in here a little bit. But you just take a little Sacha, a little the Laura Mercier regular powder, not the light, but the regular one. And you mix them. Let's see. Mix them there. I mix them because I don't like, because sometimes the Sacha can be too light and sometimes the Laura Mercier can be too dark. I need like a happy medium setting powder. So we're gonna set under the eye. And put a little extra under the eye because we're gonna go under there and do our bottom lash line. So here we're basically taking our Cat's Meow eyeliner and setting it with a black eyeshadow. And then once we do all that, we're going to take the same colors we used in our crease onto the bottom of our lid. So I started with that burgundy brown color, and then we're going to take that orangey color to buff it out as well. We're just going to keep going back and forth until we get that desired look that we're going for. And alright, I'm doing a dark lip for Thanksgiving. I think I want to do this brown. We're going to do this new brown from Fenty Beauty. And it's called Unveil. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lips with chestnut. And then we're going to, get it going. Perfect nude for my darker skin complexion girls. This is nude, guys. Nude. This is nude. This is nude for a chocolate girl. Okay. Skin like. So we're gonna do our highlighter. We're gonna go into our old Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And we're gonna glow it up. Just gonna take golden bronze and dip it in gold. So this is our final look. It's so brown skin girl friendly, quick fall glam for Thanksgiving. Really quick and easy. The only difficult part is the buffing of the primer. That's a new technique I've learned. I'm in class, makeup class, so I'm trying to come to you guys with looks and kind of challenge myself with these new techniques I'm learning. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like me, comment, and subscribe. See you later.